Good day everyone. For today's video, we will discuss about the first law of thermodynamics. Let's start. First law of thermodynamics. Problem number 1. In a confined vessel on top of a heat source, water undergoes heating while subjected to steering by a paddle wheel. In this process, 40 kilojoules of heat transfer into the water, while 10 kilojoules of heat is dissipated to the surrounding air. The paddle wheel results in 800 Newton meters of work. Calculate the system's concluding energy given an internal energy or initial energy of 15 kilojoules. So, based on the diagram, we have a confined vessel here which is subjected to a steering paddle wheel. So, by this process, the heat transfers into the water, which provides the heat in, which is our 40 kilojoules. Then, the heat is dissipated to the surrounding, which is Q out, the 10 kilojoules. And we have now the work in, which is 800 Newton meter. So in this problem, we have an initial energy or our initial internal energy which is 15 kilojoules. So the problem here is we have no final internal energy. So let us find or calculate the value of our internal energy. So formula, change in energy is equals to energy in minus energy out. So note that this formula is our basis to find the internal energy or the final internal energy. So we will be using the formula of change in internal energy equals initial internal energy minus U2 or final internal energy. So Q in, which is 40 kilojoules, minus, since it is heat out, so Q out, plus 4 in. So now let us substitute the values. So since U2, it is our final energy, internal energy, so equals to 15 kilojoules. Our initial internal energy is equals to 40 kilojoules, which is our Q in or heat in, minus, since it is heat out, 10 kilojoules, plus 800 Newton meter. So it have positive sign because the work is going in. So we have 800 Newton meter. So since the all given have a kilojoule sign, we should convert the 800 Newton meter into kilojoules. So 800 Newton meter times 1 joules over 1 Newton meter times 1 kilojoules over 1000 Newton meter. So Newton meter cancelled. Then proceed. Final internal energy is equals to 40, our Q in, minus 10, our Q out, plus 0.8 kilojoules plus 15 kilojoules, which is our internal energy. So by putting it and solving it in our calculator, we can have now the value of our final internal energy, which is 45.8 kilojoules. So we have now the value of our final internal energy in the system. So this is the answer. So thank you for listening. God bless everyone.